Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see unable to install update on your iPhone. If your iPhone is showing unable to update on your software update, then what to do? If it is not showing like this, then first of all go to the home page and then force restart your phone. To do this, press the volume up button, then volume down, and keep pressing the side button of your iPhone until you see black screen. Then restart your device after a few seconds. Once you do this, what you need to do is go to your settings and turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds and then again turn it on. After doing this, go to your settings again and then go to iPhone storage. To go to iPhone storage, first of all go through general and then click on the iPhone storage. From here, delete all the unused apps. You can also see recommendations and delete some of the application you want. Then you can now install and update your iPhone. This is the way that you will be able to install and update on iPhone iOS 17.0.3. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.